High on the cliffside, the Ostrog Monastery stands as an engineering marvel built in the 17th century, but its true power seems to be spiritual. It survived the 9-day Ottoman siege, a fire, and even took a direct hit from a missile in World War II that never exploded. This symbol of unbreakable faith now draws pilgrims from across the globe, and from this history we're venturing into one of Europe's last rainforests, Biogradska Gora. Right now it's about 8 AM. We're at the Ostrog Monastery. Supposedly brings a lot of pilgrims even that come here to pray. It was founded in the 17th century by a saint called Basil of Ostrog. You can hear them reciting the Bible or something, I'm not really sure.
Svetu lica Tvoga, jer si ti istinita želja i neizraziva radost onih koji ljube Tebe. Hriste Bože naši, Tebi pjeva sva tverva vijeka. Amin.
Vladiku Hriste Bože careve, koji tvoče svega, blagodajem Ti za sva dobra koje si mi dali za pričešće prečnim i životvornim tajnama Tvojim. Molim Te, blagi čovjekoljubivi, sačuvaj me kontrolom Tvojim i u sjenci kidova Tvojih i darom mi da se čistom savješću do posljednjeg daka svog dostojno pričešćim svetinjama Tvojim. Napuštenje grehova i na život vječni, jer si Ti hljeb života i izvor osjećenja dala za bare, Tebi slavu zasimo sa Otcem i Svetim Duhom, carevih i u vjekove vjekova. Amin.
Sazvatelju moj koji si mi dobrovoljno dao tijelo Tvoje za hranu, koji si oben što spaljene, dostojene spali me, naš protiv moje udale i sastavno se zbogove unutrašnost u srce.
So that was the monastery of Ostrog. Very nice architecture, cool little paintings and mosaics inside. No filming due to respect, and I think that was a bit more of a pilgrimage site than a actual tourist site, because I personally felt a bit awkward. People were there obviously praying to the body of Saint Basil. I believe his real body is actually under the monastery somewhere preserved. But I think even if you are a tourist, I'd still recommend and would highly recommend if you're a Christian. Apart from that, he was able to go up to a little viewing point. At the viewing point, people were there sort of filming, so I got a bit of footage myself. Then there was a little gift shop. I also have a little magnet, a little bead necklace. Well, what can I say? I think that was still a very cool experience. But now we'll probably make our way to the next national park. Do a bit of hiking, maybe kayaking. What do you reckon, Holly?
Yeah, that sounds good.
There you go. Let's have a little quick scan and let you know. So that veal soup, chicken stuffing, Mexican 7.5 for the wrap, yeah. Probably give it a 7.5 for the chicken. Good 8.5 for the soup. Good soup for sure. Can't lie, I'm gonna have to up that score for that veal soup. It's probably a 9.5 out of 10, I reckon. Chicken probably downgrade that to a 7. Don't know what was up with that. That was a bit dry. A Mexican wrap, Holly, still a 7.5.
Yeah. Oh,
There you go.
we'll do 7.
There you go. Not enough chicken. But price 25 euros for all of that, plus double espresso and a Coke. So I'd say that's pretty fair. Right, we're at the national park. It's called Biogradska Gora. Tickets were €4 per person. Pay it right at the entrance. No parking fee. No? No?
So we're pulling up now to where we're going to be spending the night.
This?
Hi puppy.
Dom? Wasz dom, okej. Давай посмотрим. Ну, люкс.
Pogledaj smještaj kada sjedemo da popijemo po rakiju.
Look at the accommodation so we can sit down and
Okay.
have a drink of
Okay.
brandy.